Hi guys! Today I want to talk to you about A/B testing on Facebook. My name is Margarita and I help businesses to grow using social media. So what is A/B testing on Facebook? It's basically measuring two different elements against each other. What can you measure on Facebook? You can measure your targeting or you can measure your creative. By targeting, you can choose gender, you can choose placement, you can choose location, age, and a lot of different variations. You can test them against each other. For example, if you know that your potential customers are men from ages 30 to 50, you can test different age groups. First ad set that you're going to build is going to target men from 30 to 40. And the second one is going to target men from 40 to 50. You have two different ad sets with almost same audience but different age. Both of those ad sets are targeting your potential clients, but you need to know which of them are actually better for you. It means for who will you pay less but will get same result in the end. So maybe one client who buys your product or service, you will pay for him $10, but for another one you will pay $5. Well, which are better for you? You decide. This is what we call A/B testing on Facebook. As for testing your creative, there are few other variations. You have an image, you have a video, you have headline, you have your link, and you have your call to action, and finally you have your ad text. All of those things can be tested by A/B testing. For example, you can create two images that you want to use in your ad and build two ads, one with each image, and test them against each other and see which one performs better, for which one you pay the lowest but you get better results. This is what you call A/B testing on Facebook. Good luck and see you in the next one.